Man, that is so good. Kind of wish your mom was here so she could try it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, it's got like the perfect French toast kind of bite to it. You know, like that kind of gummy kind of French toast bite, you know?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
And then, of course, it's got the peanut butter and jelly on the inside.
With the fruits.
Look at that. Mmm. Delicious, man.
100% best thing you ever made.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Common Q. Today we're going to be doing something that's, honestly, I've been looking forward to making for quite some time now. We're going to be doing French Toasted Uncrustables, all right? It's kind of a, today we're using the peanut butter and jelly, right? Grape jelly. That's our kind of favorite around here. Occasionally we'll do the strawberry stuff, and Raylene really likes the peanut butter and honey. Simple ingredients list, guys. This is your typical French toast mixture. Instead of using, you know, Texas style toast or anything else like that, we're just going to be using Uncrustables. All right, too easy. If you want to kind of see how we do regular French toast, guys, stick around. There's another channel on the, there's another video on the channel here somewhere. All you got to do is just go over to the playlist. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and you'll be able to see that video as well. Regular French toast. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here, guys. All right, so start with 2 whole eggs. Try not to get any poo-poo in there, right? No one wants crunchy stuff in their Uncrustables, right? They're French toast. Easy day, right? 2 whole eggs. We generally use the XL. It's just going to give you a bigger yolk, right? Go ahead and pop those yolks a little bit. Just get ready to start spinning them up. All right, next up, we're going to do a 1/4 cup of milk. You could use cream, heavy cream, or half and half here if you want to, all right? I'm going to go ahead and add in the sugar. Again, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, all right? And then we're just gonna give it a splash of vanilla. Nothing too crazy, all right, guys? Just a splash, a little bit. Look like, if I had to guess, it's about 1/2 teaspoon. Go ahead and whip this stuff up really good. I just use a fork to get it all incorporated. You'll see we're not using like a blender bowl here or anything like that. I'm using a flat kind of cake pan, simply because I'm gonna be able to lay my mixture in there. I'm gonna be able to lay the French toast down a little bit more level. All right, so we've got everything incorporated here, guys. Next thing we're going to do, we will be cooking this stuff on the Blackstone outside. So we went ahead and got the Blackstone cranked up to about medium to medium-high heat. These things are going to cook pretty quick, a couple of minutes each side, just so we start to see it brown. So let's go and take our ingredients and get out there to the Blackstone. Bam! All right, guys, so the grill is on medium heat. Basically, what I do is I turn the left one on low, the second one off, and then the third one on low. And that creates like a 350-degree section right here. So I already got a couple of them on, guys. Basically what you want to do is just take these Uncrustables, get them completely doused in the mixture. Completely doused, all right? It's going to soak up a lot of that egg wash. And then really just get them out here, all right? It's that simple. Nothing. Oh, I do want to point out, and I should have said this earlier, that they do need to be thawed out, okay? So we've left these Uncrustables in the fridge for about a couple of days before we get them on. And that's kind of how we eat them anyways. We just use them as snacks. All right, now that's on, we're gonna let them go for about 3 minutes each side, and then we'll flip them, and then we'll be halfway there. All right, guys, so it's been about 3 minutes. We went ahead and flipped the first 2. Let's go ahead and get these other ones flipped, right? You're gonna be seeing, some of that browning, if you will. That's the egg, just kind of, doing its job. Again, this medium heat. I didn't use any butter or anything. I've got a really seasoned Blackstone here, so I'm not really super worried about it. We're going to do a lot of cooking on this Blackstone on this channel. So, stay tuned. We're going to give these guys another couple of minutes on each side here. All right, so the way that you can tell when these are done, guys, is, like I said, it takes about 3 minutes per side. It's not rocket science here, guys. Just keep a good look for it. It's a texture thing more than anything. We don't want that delicious, gooey peanut butter and jelly spilling out. So, we're just going to flip them a couple times here, just looking for a crust, right, where it's going to start getting a little hard. You can kind of hear it. That's kind of what we're looking for, all right, on each side for doneness. So we'll give these a couple more minutes, guys, and we'll take them in there, go ahead and get them all set up and ready to go for dinner. Bam! All right, guys, so we pulled them off the Blackstone. Again, this is something that you're going to go by kind of by feel. Make sure that the texture is there. You kind of know what a French toast texture looks like. If you have any questions about French toast, like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. There's a video floating around there somewhere for French toast by itself. All right, guys. So what we did here, went ahead and dressed these up with some syrup, a little bit of powdered sugar, some fresh cut strawberries and blueberries. And now it's time for the taste test. Big Nate, you coming in?
Yeah.
All right, Prince of Pork, here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and, I don't know, let's just cut this thing in half. Oh, that looks so good.
That looks bussin'.
All right, let me get a little. Want to go first?
Nah.
All right. Man, that is something else right there. That is so good, Nathan. Here you go, Bob. Big Nate, big biting, right? All right, guys. This is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys can try it with your family. Makes a delicious breakfast, or if you're like us and Raylene and the kids are out babysitting, breakfast for dinner, right? Can't complain. Is this Big Nate approved? Prince of Pork approved?
No, it's way approved.
Approved.
It gets 2 stamps instead of 1.
There you go. All right, guys. If you like what we're doing here, guys, it mean a lot if you just jump down there, hit that subscribe button if you find value in what we're doing, and if you think that we've earned it. Make sure you stay subscribed to the channel and stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming up between me and the Prince of Pork. And until next time, get out there and show them girls some love. Bam.